Hello guys, welcome to CAD. In today's tutorial we are going to design a bottle in Solidworks, using essential features and commands. We'll also customize appearance to give our model a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the sketch. Click Sketch. Choose the front plane. Take the center line command and draw it from the origin to the upside like this. Click Exit. Now take the line command and draw a rough sketch of the bottle like this. Click Exit. Zoom it like this. Now let's take the Smart Dimension command and label all the dimension on the sketch. Sketch is completed. Our sketch is fully defined. Now go to the features. Click on Revolved Boss command. Click here and select this sketch. Click here and select this edge as an axis of revolution. Click OK. A little zoom it. Now click on Shell command. Select this surface. Give the shell thickness for millimeters. Click OK. Now click on this edge. Click Fillet. Give the fillet value as 20 millimeters, click OK. Select this edge. Click Fillet. Give the radius as 20 millimeters, click OK. Now select this edge. Click Fillet. Fillet radius is 10 millimeters. Click OK. Now select this edge. Fillet radius is 10 millimeters. Rotate. Zoom it. Take the fillet command. Now select all these edges one by one like this. Zoom it. Rotate a little and select the internal edges as well like this. Give the fillet value as 1 mm, click OK. It looks perfect now. Zoom out. Make it normal. Go to the background scene. Select plain white. Now go to the appearance. Click on glass. Choose the green glass. Go to the visual styles. Click cartoon mode. It looks perfect and amazing now. Now just render it and it will gain the real bottle shape and transparency. It's enough for today. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.